Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will learn about community services. Do you know how your schools run? In your schools, you have a principal, vice principal, headmistress, and teachers along with the office staff. They all work together to provide the students all the facilities and education. India is a big country, you know it. It is not possible for one government to look after the needs of all the villages, towns, and cities in the country. Our country is first divided into states and then hundreds of villages. So, India has three levels of the government. So there are three levels of the government in India, and that are central government, state government, and local self government. So we will discuss one by one. So first of all, let's start with the central government. The central government is based in Delhi. It looks after important matters of the country such as defense, finance, railways, etc. Now, do you know who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Now we will discuss about the state government. Each state in India has its own government. The state governments are responsible for maintaining law and order, transport and health services in their states. Next one is local self-government. Local self-government at the rural level is the Gram Panchayat. The number of the members of the Gram Panchayat are elected by the people of the village for a term of 5 years. The head or Sarpanch or Pradhan is also chosen by the people. Any man or woman of the village who is 18 years of age or above can vote. The number of members of a Gram Panchayat depends upon the size of the population, and the head of the Panchayat is known as Sarpanch. Now, functions of a Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat performs many important functions. The members of the Panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problems of the village and also find ways to solve them. Now, the Gram Panchayat is responsible for maintaining cleanliness of the village, planting trees, digging wells, lighting up streets, providing clean drinking water, setting up of the primary health centers, and execute government schemes related to the employment. Construction of building, streets and roads, setting up primary schools. It makes sanitary arrangements in the village. It makes arrangement for street lighting, settling disputes among villagers. So these are the some functions of Gram Panchayat. Now come to municipal corporation. In towns and cities, the local bodies that manage the affairs of the area are municipal committees, are also known as municipalities, and the municipal corporation. Big cities like Delhi have the municipal corporation, whereas smaller towns have municipal committees. Now, like Gram Panchayat, municipal corporation is also having some functions, and functions of the municipality are provide good living conditions for the people of a town or city, build and maintain roads and keep them clean, provide enough water for all daily needs, provide people with clean drinking water, set up schools, adult education centers and libraries, ensure supply of electricity to homes and lighting of the streets, issuing of birth and death certificates, make parks and gardens and plant trees, build and maintain markets and public toilets, etc. So it is the people's duty to cooperate with them as they work for the benefit of the community as a whole. So it's our responsibility that we should pay our taxes on time. We should follow law and order, keep the roads and parks clean and not damaging any public property. Okay children, this is all about community service and take care.